this restaurant, what they offer there. Okay, so please don't forget to like, share, and comments to my video, and please don't forget also to subscribe my channel, and then don't forget to post the notification bell so that you can receive of my videos. No? Thank you. We are going to inside this hot wings stop. Okay, so let us check what they offer there. The sign of the table is a wing stop. This is for the fans, for big appetites, and small for the love of the bird. We feed the fans that feed the games. So put down your napkins, pick up the wings, and celebrate the sauce, because no matter what the scoreboard says, in the area surrounded by champions. Ayan, ang wings stop. So come to my vlog. I'm here in this place, Wingstop. Yan, Wingstop. Wingstop. We have to check there.
Like boneless? Yeah, boneless.
We have to review how tasty
Okay. For those,
their
you can choose 3 flavors for the wings. The flavors are over there. The hottest will be
On the middle.
mild.
Yeah, mild.
For all of them.
Yeah, all of them.
And then you said you want the one on side, right?
Yeah.
And then it comes with 3 sauces on the side, like that. Do you want ranch, blue cheese, or honey mustard?
their cup where flavor gets its wings. So magano tayo ng drinks. So my kids love lemonade, so I'm going to get lemonade first, the ice, and then lemonade. Ooh. Lemonade. A little bit ice. Oh, naubusan ng ice. Wala talaga. Anyway, lamig pa, winter pa. My kids love lemonade, guys. Ubusan lang ng ice nila. This one na lang. Yan. Where's the cup for that? Daddy? Hi there. So let us check the food. Yan, ang order namin. Okay, let's check the taste. And this is from the wings, and the wings, on the wings of love. So it tastes good?
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy. Triangle, enjoy!